I just wanna be only. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I have not done a video in so long, but here we are, and I've decided to record this video because I was doing my hair crochet and I thought, hey, let me go ahead and record this for you guys. So yeah, I basically titled this How to Crochet Your Own Hair, but I literally crochet my own hair. I was so happy with the results, and I thought I'd just share how I did it. So I basically single braided the front, and I feel like that made it a lot stronger. And I felt like the cane row held a lot more. Single braiding the front and then connecting it with the rest of the cane row. Yeah, it was just great. Honestly, like, it stayed in place for longer. So really happy with how it sat. And also adding the crochets, I don't know, like the extensions I picked up from Amazon. I think I picked up, there was like 8 in a packet and it was like £30. And I got like I think I got it in 22 inches, but then later on I decided I wanted it a bit longer, so I ended up picking up a 30-inch. But all in all, I just used 8 packets in my hair, which was kind of thick. But so if you didn't want that thick, then obviously you could just get away with just using 6 packets rather than the 8, because the hair is quite thick. But yeah, I was happy with the results overall. The hair quality was really, really nice. So I'm just going ahead and cane rowing my hair. I've literally been having my hair natural for this year. Like last year, I just did a big chop, shaved my hair down to a number 1, you guys. And when I tell you, it was the best decision. Like, I'm not even telling you to cut your hair, but I was struggling. My hair was dry, my scalp was sore. My hair was just so brittle, and I was using like deep, heavy conditioners and everything, and it just wasn't, I don't know what was going on. I think it was just mainly like probably what I was eating was just making my hair just, it was horrible. So you know what, I was like, woke up one morning, I just had enough, and I just shaved it off. I shaved it off to number 1, and my hair grew back so beautiful. I was so happy with the texture, and I've been treating it. So this year I vowed to just continue taking care of my natural curly hair and just keep conditioning and taking care of it and washing it, just washing it very regularly, and just giving it all the oils and nutrients, and also eating the right things, because sometimes we forget like what we eat is actually coming out in our hair as well. So we need to make sure what we're eating, we're putting into our bodies, is the right thing too. So also I've been cautious of that, and just making sure that I'm just eating a bit more healthier, adding in my veg and things like that. So yeah, loved how this hair came out. This hair was so cute. I just love the length. I was so happy with how long it was as well. It didn't take too long. So normally to style my hair, it's a whole day. It's just a whole day activity. So as you know, like, I absolutely hate doing my own hair. It takes ages, and my hair used to be really, really sore and stuff, but now it's fine. It's super, super soft and manageable, and I just feel like I'm using all the right products that my hair enjoys and absorbs. And right now we're doing okay. So this style in all took about 2 hours. I think like 20 minutes of the cane rows, and then it was like, it wasn't long. Like, I started in the evening and I was finished, and it was still evening, you know, like, had dinner, hair was done. Hair was just done. So happy for that. And I also just hope that I keep this in for longer, because sometimes I do get bored of styles and I don't allow it time to just get really, really old. I just want to just change it. I don't know why that happens. Like, comment below if that's you, when you just get bored. Wake up one morning, you're like, no, I don't want this style anymore, and you just take it out and change it. I keep doing that. So yeah, just let me know if I'm not alone in this, because this is something that I always do. But yeah, so happy days. I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, fast forward this, and just let you guys enjoy some music, and get a vibe. I hope you got your cup of tea ready and you're chilled. And yeah, just watch how I finish up this style. And yeah, thanks for watching. So that concludes the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought of this style. I was absolutely obsessed, and I'm so happy I did the crochet style because it just felt so comfortable, so versatile. I could style it straight after, and it was just so comfortable. So let me know what video you want to see next, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.